Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn multiplication of two-digit by single-digit numbers in class 2. We know that multiplication is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. The first sum that we are going to do is, it belongs to the type multiplication without regrouping. Regrouping means there is no carryover concept which is going to be involved. Multiply 23 by 2. 23 is a two-digit number. Write down its place value, ones and tens. So it will be easy for you to write down the number 2 by which you're going to multiply in the ones place. It is always a good practice to write down the place values. Now begin the multiplication from the ones place. 2 into 3 is 6. So write down 6. Next, 2 into 2 is 4. So write down 4. So the answer is 46. See, we did not involve any carryover or regrouping concept. Let us do some more sums under this category. Multiply 30 by 3. 30 is written with its place values ones and tens. Multiply it by 3. 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 3 is 9. So the answer is 90. Let us do one more sum. Multiply 11 by 7. Write down 11 with its place values ones and tens. Multiply it by 7 by writing it in the ones place. Begin multiplication from the ones place. 7 into 1 is 7. Again 7 into 1 is 7. So the product is 77. The next variety of sums we are going to do belongs to the category or type multiplication with regrouping of ones. So we are going to involve regrouping of the numbers in the ones place. Let us see this with the help of examples. Multiply 46 by 2. Write down 46 with its place values and write down 2 in the ones place. 2 into 6 is 12. So we have a two-digit number here in the ones place. So we have to regroup 12 ones now. 12 ones can be regrouped as 110 plus 2 ones. So write down 2 ones in the ones place and take the 110 as a carryover to the tens place. Next, 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 which is carried over will give you 9. So the answer is 92. Hope you understood. Here we saw we are regrouping the number in the ones place. Let us see some more examples like this. Multiply 19 by 5. Write down 19 and 5 in the ones place. 5 into 9 is 45. So we have to regroup the ones place now. 45 ones can be regrouped as 4 tens plus 5 ones. 4 tens is 40 plus 5 ones will give you 45. So write down the 5 ones in the ones place and take the 4 tens as a carryover to the tens place. Next, 5 into 1 is 5. 5 plus 4 will give you 9. So the product is 95. Let us do another example. Multiply 15 by 6. Write down the number 15 with its place values ones and tens and then multiply it by 6. So first you have to begin the multiplication from the ones place. 6 into 5 is 30. So we have to regroup 30 ones now. 30 ones can be regrouped as 3 tens plus 0 ones. So retain the 0 ones in the ones place and take the 3 tens as a carryover to the tens place. Next, 6 into 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 will give you 9. So the product is 90. The next type of sums that we are going to see will involve multiplication with regrouping of tens. That is, now we are going to regroup the numbers in the tens place. Multiply 31 by 5. Write down 31, multiply it by 5 by beginning the multiplication from the ones place. 5 into 1 is 5. So this does not involve any regrouping. So you can take and write down 5 just like that. Next, 5 into 3 is 15. So we have to regroup the number 15 tens which is there in the tens place now. So how do you regroup 15 tens? 15 tens is nothing but 150. So it can be regrouped as 100 plus 5 tens. So retain the 5 tens in the tens place and take the 100 as a carryover to the hundreds place. So the answer will be 155. In this case, you can say it as carryover or you're just moving the digit to the ones place. Okay, so the answer is 155. Next, multiply 82 by 4. 82 multiplied by 4. First begin multiplication from the ones place. 4 into 2 is 8. There is no regrouping involved here in the ones place. Next, 4 into 8 is 32. 32 in the tens place will give you 320. So which can be regrouped as 300s plus 2 tens. So 300s is 300 plus 2 tens is 20. So it will give you 320. So write 2 in the tens place and 3 in the hundreds place. So the product is 328. The next sum which we are going to do is multiply 93 by 3. So begin multiplication from the ones place. 3 into 3 is 9. Next 3 into 9 is 27. So we have 27 tens over here now which has to be regrouped. 27 tens is nothing but 270. So this can be written as 200 plus 7 tens. So you will write 7 in the tens place and 2 in the hundreds place. So the product of 93 by 3 is 279. The next set of sums that we are going to involve will be multiplication with regrouping of both the ones and tens. That is, we are going to see regrouping of the numbers in both the ones and tens place and perform the multiplication operation and get the answer. So the first sum which you are going to see is multiply 72 by 7. Write down 72 with its place values and multiply it by 7. 7 is written in the ones place because it is a single digit number. So 7 into 2 is 14. Regroup 14 ones. You will get 110 plus 4 ones. Retain 4 ones in the ones place and take 110 as a carryover to the tens place. Next 7 into 7 is 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. So you have to regroup 50 tens now. 50 tens can be regrouped as 5 hundreds plus 0 tens because 50 tens is nothing but 500. So that is why you regroup it as 500 plus 0 tens. So write 0 in the tens place and 5 in the hundreds place. So we saw in this sum that is regrouping of both the ones place and tens place and you got the product to be 504. Let us do some more sums. Multiply 86 by 3. Begin multiplication from the ones place. 3 into 6 is 18. Regroup the ones place. 18 ones is 110 plus 8 ones. So write down 8 ones in the ones place and take the 110 as a carryover. Next 3 into 8 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Now we have to regroup 25 tens. 25 tens is 250. So you regroup it as 200s plus 5 tens. Retain the 5 tens in the tens place and take the 2 to the hundreds place. So the answer that you get is 258. Let us do another sum now. Multiply 47 by 4. Write down 47 with its place values and write down 4 in the ones place. Begin multiplication from the ones place. 4 into 7 is 28. So 28 ones has to be regrouped now. 28 ones can be regrouped as 2 tens plus 8 ones. So retain the 8 ones in the ones place and take the 2 tens as a carryover to the tens place. Next multiply 4 into 4 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. So 18 tens. 18 tens is 180. So how will you regroup this? 18 tens is 100 plus 8 tens. So retain the 8 tens in the tens place and take the 100 to the hundreds place. So the product that you get is 188. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 2 under the topic multiplication. Children learn a lot of topics in class 2 under multiplication. I have covered introduction to multiplication, how to write the 2, 5 and 10 tables. Next I have covered how to write the 3, 4, 6 tables. Then we saw how to multiply 2, 5 and 10 tables on number line. Then we did multiplication of 3, 4 and 6 tables on number line. Then we did order property of multiplication. In this video, we did 2-digit by single-digit multiplication without regrouping and with regrouping of ones, tens and both the ones and tens. In the upcoming videos, we will be seeing solve story sums applying multiplication in two ways. Then we will do mental math and multiplication worksheet. Each of the topics that I have covered are in separate videos. Links to all the related videos are given below in the description box for your quick and easy access. Thank you for watching my video. You can also click on the in-screen video which will take you to the playlist containing class 2 multiplication videos. If you like the quality of my video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do provide your valuable comments in the comment section of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make on my channel. See you again.